Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we're gonna talk about this 802.11 and Wi-Fi USB receiver dongle, that how we can easily install this kind of dongles if we don't have any compact disc which comes with this dongle. As you can check out in this paper section, we will find a CD over there, but many times it happens that we just remove this USB dongle from over here and just throw it away, and after that we don't have that compact disc for future installations, and now we need that drivers, or we call it software. Now what we have to do and what the process and what the scenario, you have to just check out in the description below. I will provide a few drivers link over there, and you can download from over there. And keep in mind that if you want to be more safer, you can easily Google it, and keep in mind that there are 2 or 3 websites that just one is from Intel. You can check out that one if you have your processor is Intel, and if you have a AMD or other version, then you have to just type AMD or other kind of thing. What you have to type, that is 802.11n Wi-Fi receiver drivers for Windows, whatever Windows you are using, Windows 7, 8, 10, 11, what you are using, you have to type over there, and after that press enter, and you have to check out the Intel website, or from the website from which your laptop is. Now you can check out, and over there you will find the download option, and you can check out in front of us. I'm just trying to reaching it on the Intel one. You can just check out over there and just download that, and after that you have to check out the folder, and you have to unzip that. For unzipping, you have to just click on option button on the folder, and you have to click on the extract here, and when you click on the extract here, you will see the many drivers over there, and from there you have to just choose setup one and double click on that. After that it will ask you about that you will want to install this driver. You have to click on yes, and after that process further, and you have to just click on the next, and until the get finished after accepting all the term and conditions. When you click on finish, maybe your system will start showing you the Wi-Fi over there, and if it's don't start showing you the Wi-Fi, just restart your system and it will start showing. Otherwise, if you're not able to succeed in this process, just check out the video description again and just download the drivers accordingly. Hope you understand that how you can easily install this kind of Wi-Fi USB receiver for your computer and systems, and understood that how you can easily use the Wi-Fi dongle. Oh, it's fell down. I think it stops working in the future. Oh, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends, also subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do it.